warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, we are from Group 4 of Class 12 BIPA 2. Here we will explain how to make one of conventional biotechnology product. Before that, let's introduce ourselves first.
I am Elina Said.
I am Rindrana Mariam. I am Fitriani Azahra.
I am Siti Marwa.
I am
Here are the objectives of our practicum. In this practicum, there are several objectives that we want to convey. Namely, here are the objectives of our practicum. 1. Knowing what is meant by biotechnology. 2. Knowing that corn dog is one of the biotechnology product. 3. Knowing how to make corn dog. 4. Knowing the microorganisms that play a role in making corn dog and its fermentation. 5. Knowing the products in the practicum.
Before we know more about how to make corn dogs, we must know the definition of biotechnology. What is biotechnology? So, biotechnology is the use of organism, cell, or cell components to make products or technologies that benefit humans. This could involve the use of microorganisms such as bacteria or fungi to make antibiotics or the use of DNA technology.
Biotechnology can be divided into two types. The first is conventional biotechnology. Conventional biotechnology usually applies the principles of fermentation and involves microorganisms directly. Using simple tools, smaller production scales, and relatively low costs. The second is modern biotechnology. Modern biotechnology usually applies the principles of reproductive technology or genetic engineering, using sophisticated tools and more complicated ways. Spoiled processes. Biochemical and genetic do not occur naturally and are also expensive.
We will discuss one example of a conventional biotechnology product. Corn dog. What is corn dog? Corn dog is one of the conventional biotechnology products. Corn dog is a fast food consisting of sausage, squared with wooden squares, coated with dough, and then coated with paneer, flour, and then fried until browned. It is usually served with a favorite sauce or as seasoning.
The ingredients needed to make corn dog are wheat flour, rice flour, salt and mayonnaise, instant pronomephone or yeast, sausage, bread flour, vegetable oil, egg, and sugar. Well, the tools needed are basin, knife, tweezers, plate, tray, tablespoon and teaspoon, ladle, and wood.
In the first step, break one egg in the provided basin. Add 1 tablespoon 4 gram of instant yeast. Add 2 tablespoons sugar. Then stir until evenly distributed. Next, add 150 gram of high protein wheat flour to the egg mixture. Also add 50 gram of rice flour. Next step, add 200 ml of warm water and mix thoroughly until there is no dry flour. Stir the dough until it looks like this. Next step, cover using a clean cloth, and we just wait for the dough to rise for 45 minutes. While waiting for the dough to rise, peel the sausage skin and cut it into 2 parts. After all the sausage have been cut, skewer the sausage pieces using skewers. Use 2 skewers so that the grip is strong when rolling with the dough.
Prepare bread flour. After 40 minutes, open the dough cover and make sure the dough rises. Transfer the corn dog dough and breadcrumbs into a tray. Roll the corn dog and wrap it around the sausage, making sure all the sausage is covered by the dough. After all are covered, coat with breadcrumbs until evenly distributed. Do it until finished. Heat vegetable oil in a wok. Once the oil is hot, gradually add the corn dogs using low to medium heat. Fry until the color of the corn dog becomes brownish. After the corn dog turns brownish, remove and drain. Place the cooked corn dog into a plate. Add sauce and mayonnaise as topping. Corn dog is ready to be enjoyed.
Now, why can the dog expand? It turns out that corn dog can expand because of the fermentation process that occurs when it is left to stand for 45 minutes and covered with cloth. The dog has the right time and condition for the yeast to rise and produce gas, especially carbon dioxide, which make the dog expand.
So, what makes Reggie able to expand the dog? This is a macroscopic organism that performs fermentation in the dog. When yeast are in a warm, moist environment, such a dog then is setting and covered with a cold, then feed on the sugar in the dog and give off carbon dioxide gas will be frozen. This gas is trapped in the dog and causes the dog to rise, creating a lighter hollow texture.
Then, what organisms are contained in yeast? Yeast contains different types of microscopic organisms, but the most commonly used in bread making is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Its function is to carry out fermentation in the dog, which is to convert sugar into alcohol and carbon dioxide gas. It is this carbon dioxide gas that causes the dog to rise, creating a lighter, hollow texture in the bread. Well, it turns out that ingredients such as egg, yeast, sugar, and warm water have their respective roles in making good dough. The first one, egg. Egg function as a binder and dough texture. In addition, eggs also provide the softness and good texture to corn dough. Second, yeast. Yeast is responsible for the fermentation process of the dough. You could say that yeast is very important ingredient in the process of developing corn dog dough. The fermentation produced by yeast will help the corn dog dough expand and become more tender.
This there is sugar. Sugar is a food source for yeast during the fermentation process. Besides that, sugar can also give a little sweetness to corn dog. And the fourth is warm water. Warm water is used to agitate yeast and help in the fermentation process. Warm water temperature will accelerate the yeast fermentation process, so then water and condoms can expand properly.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.